everyone, welcome back to WsCube. In our today's session, we will be talking about modules. Before we start with this new topic, let's have a small recap on what we have learned in our previous session. So guys, in our previous module, we learned about what are functions, what are the advantages of using functions in our program, what are the parameters and arguments, what is a return statement, what is a recursion in Python. We learned about the lambda function as well. So these were some things that we have learned in our previous session, and we also did some problem solving based on functions. Now guys, today we will be starting a new topic that is called as modules. Modules, what are modules in Python? Modules are like the small library codes over here. These are basically .py files which contain set of functions that you can use, that you want to use in our program. So guys, we have hundreds of inbuilt modules in Python. We have date and time, we have random, we have turtle, we have math, we have locals. So many inbuilt modules are there, and also these modules can be created by ourselves. So basically in this whole module we will be discussing about how we can use the inbuilt modules that we already have in Python and how we can create our own modules that we can use in our program. So I hope what module is, that is clear to you, that for module all you need is a .py file, and then we can import it in our program and use it. Or we can use the inbuilt modules as well. So to discuss more about inbuilt modules, stay connected and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.